So right now we are inside the customer service in the DLL layer, because what I want to do now is I want to start changing this guy so he knows about the unit of work that we expose from the data access layer facade. Right now he knows about the iCustomer repository. I don't want that anymore. I actually want this guy to know something new. I want him to know about the DLL Facade, DLL Facade, and let's just call it Facade right here. So that's the one I'm going to pass in from the outside, and this one I would be able to, in a unit test later on, mock out if I wanted to. So I'm going to make a local facade right here, DLL Facade, like this, and let's just call it Facade, like I did below. And there we go. Now we have the facade available, and that can actually start using the UnitOfWorks for us. Next, what we're going to do is inside the DLL Facade, we are messing up right now because we're trying to send a customer repository into UnitOfWork. We're not going to do that anymore. We're going to pass in just a facade on its own, because this guy can now create a UnitOfWork whenever we need one. The last thing I want to do, just to show you guys that this is actually working right now, is I'm going to try and use this. So here's how we can actually use the dispose function. Let me try and show you the wrong way to do it first, and then next lesson I'll show you the right way. So to try and show you this, I'll start out by making a UnitOfWork available right here by saying facade not false, thanks anyway, facade dot UnitOfWork, and there we have a UnitOfWork available. Now this UnitOfWork has just been created. It's a complete empty access point to the database now. This UnitOfWork, we actually can go and we can get a customer repository like this, and on that one we can call a create function. And that create function can, by getting a customer in it, it can actually create a customer. And it's going to return a customer in the end, because that's how we made it. So I'll make a var new cust right here, just like this, equals the guy we just created. But we haven't created him yet. That's the beauty of the UnitOfWork. We just, if I wanted to, I can just add another line here and create another customer. If I may, later we'll make it create all customers that sends in a list. Then that will make sense. So next thing here, the UnitOfWork needs to now, because I feel I'm done, so I can actually complete the UnitOfWork. And then the last thing I need to do, because I'm doing this the manual way, is I need to dispose the UnitOfWork, because we are completed. And then I just need to return my new customer, and then we're kind of back to the old setup. Now this looks a lot more complex than what we had before, but the power here is that I can create real business logic, and when I feel the actual logic is completed, then I can save my solution. But I told you this was not the right way, so cliffhanger. Next lesson I'll try and show you how you can also use the UnitOfWork in this setup. See you next time.